Hello, and welcome to another feature release video from the Atomic team. I'm Trey Botard, a developer advocate here at Atomic, and today we're going to talk about the webhook details that we've added to the tasks detail page in console. So if you go to your tasks dashboard, and then you can see your normal list of cards for each of the tasks that have been submitted by your end users. If you click into one of them, so for example, we'll take a look at this deposit task that I created that has completed, and we'll just view this task. So you'll see the normal card that we have with the regular details correlating to the task that was created, in this case in the ADP payroll system. But you'll now see a new section below this. You can either scroll down or click the webhook events tab in the left-hand side there. These are all of the webhook events associated with this particular task. So this will be a list of all webhooks that we send out, and you can see the type of webhook, the timestamp according to when we sent it out, and then the URL that we're sending that webhook out to. In our case, it's a Postman mock endpoint, so you can kind of ignore this URL, but your URL endpoint will be here in your console. So you can see more details by expanding this card with this caret drop down on the top right, and you will see all of the data that we send out in each of the webhooks. So you'll see the request headers, so all the cloud events headers that we send out, and any other headers that correlate to this particular webhook. Can scroll down a little bit further to the payload of this particular webhook. So you can see the task ID and workflow ID. You can see which company it was went through. You can see which product you're hitting, so whether it's a deposit task or a verify task or one of our other products, and the identifier for the end user that you send off whenever you create your access token. You can see the event type, so this is how you'll know what happened on our back end. And then you scroll down a little bit further and you can actually see the responses that we get from your system. So when you send out a webhook, you'll get your system sends responses. In this case, it's a success of true, and then some additional headers that we have that we received from the Postman endpoint that we have for our testing webhooks. So we hope this is useful to you. If you have any questions or comments or would like some more data that we could potentially put into this page, let us know. We're open to any suggestions. So thank you very much for your time.